Okay, in today's video, I have been teaching you how to create a game, how to create an app. So now here, this video is for you to publish your game in APKPure website for free. So you can get traffic from this website, you can get users on your app or game on this website for free. But the only thing is that your with this APK Pure, AdMob cannot monetize your app or your game because it's not part of the app store that is supported with AdMob. But you can make money from this APK Pure website by using Unity ads on your game, on your app. So I have a game and I have a app that was published on this website and it has been approved. Only one is still pending. But let me take you through and let's upload together. And you have games, feel free to upload it here, monetize it with Unity ad, and you're good to go. Let's get started. So if you come to this, look at the URL of the site, apkpure.com. So once you go there, you will land on this page. So what you need to do, you can see all the apps on the market, all the apps we have on our devices. You can see all popular games and you can see it has millions, 100 million downloaders and the rest. So feel free to upload your game here while you wait for them to approve, because I think here they approve games manually. So you log in. So my account is with Google. I have signed in with Google. So going to log in with the same email or Gmail account. Okay. So as you can see, going to have access to the site. Okay. So as you can see, we have signed in now. So for you to go where you need to upload your game, you need to go developer console. The developer console is down below. You can see it here, or you can start writing developer console.apk pure. So that's also the same thing, but you can see what I was saying, developer.apkpure.com. It also take you here. So let me go into my dashboard. So these are my games that is which I published here, only one pending. So this pending I want to re-upload because I do some changes. So let me see if they are going to approve. So with this platform, it has million users. So feel free to upload your game on this platform, your app. So what I'm uploading is an app. So the app is also here. If you remember, this is also part of the game that is published there, and in this one too is published also, and this one, and I think this one, and this one too. So feel free, let me go through this. This is the one we want to upload together. So you go to, okay, so it's asking of the package name. This is my package name. Okay, so put it here. Let's, okay, the app name. Okay, put it, post. Okay, so it's going to take us to the next step. As you can see, this is the next step. So here is asking if what we are uploading is game or app. So for me, it's an app. The live score app, the category of the what we are uploading is under sports. Okay, because it's live score, so it's asking us of the app logo or the icon. So he's here. I'm going to download it. We upload. Okay, so we're going to upload it here. Okay, so you can see it here. So before then, make sure you monetize your app with Unity Art. Then come here to upload. You get free installers. So okay, here the rating. My game is for everyone. Can only have live score. So that's the URL. If you use this app creator, so you can get the privacy policy URL down here, so you can see it here. Okay, I hope I'm not too fast, but if I'm too fast, you can watch it again and again. So short description. Okay, the description, let me got it here. Live score, football live score. I think yes, that's for the short description, while for the long description we copy entire. So you're going to do the same thing for your app. Okay, oh okay, instead of okay, let me cut it from here. Yes, okay, then long description will be here. So now it's asking us to put in our game screen, upload the screenshot of your game. So I have that already, so you can, that is why I use image resizer, if you can see from here. So the resized image is the same size of normal video, that is 1280 by 720. That is normal HD size. So that is what you convert. If not, it will not be allowed on the site. So we're waiting for the next upload. Okay, the third one. How many is required? I think let me leave it at 3. Okay, so okay, then I'm going to do the same size, the width and the height, 1024 and 500. So let me go ahead and do that as well. So okay, this is Premier League timetable. So Premier League, La Liga. I want to upload all the, okay, so the last one, if it's possible, the last one, that is La Liga timetable. Okay, so now we're going to resize this last one and we are good to go. Okay, now this cannot be uploaded here. Okay, 1 2, no, it's here. I was trying to, okay, that is La Liga and then Bundesliga, the last one. This is Premier League, this is La Liga, Bundesliga. Yes, so now let me I'll go back to resize this one. Okay, so I'm going to, so you go to resize image resizer. So here I'm going to use this. So okay, the settings are here. 1024 the width, so that's also we check the same thing. So we go here, no? Okay, we go here where we can put the weight, and this is the weight, that is what again, 1024 1024. Sorry, see where 10, okay, it's not coming, 1024, okay, by 500 by 500. So we convert and we upload, and okay, yes, so that is 2D. So we to upload it. While that is done, we are good to go. Is here. Okay, you can see it's uploaded. Now we have done with all the required what we need to do here. That's all. So we have to saved successful. So now we have to upload our APK file here. So if we upload now, I have to come back to download the game. Okay, so you click download. Okay, so it's downloading the APK file. Once that is done, here we come back to upload. Okay, so easy to upload game here on this platform. So I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, kindly subscribe and share. Okay, so we are uploading the APK file, this one, the one we just download now. So we wait for it to upload, and that is it. The same game or app is the same way you can upload on this platform, and the good thing about this platform is free. Okay, so you can see it's what's new. So the new thing is that the you can put something, my you can put in something. Okay, here will not be empty, but somehow, but sometimes I don't know, maybe that is one of the reasons I get quick um uh, approval, because I do write something. Hi, hi team,